What's up everybody, for you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow It, and you're watching my extras channel. VIPARSPECTRA sent me over their brand new grow light, the P1000 LED grow light, and in this video I'm going to unbox the unit, and I'm also going to do a PAR test on it. This is one of 5 LED grow lights that VIPARSPECTRA is releasing in 2020. They also have the P1500 LED grow light, the P2500 LED grow light, the VP1000 LED grow light, and the VP2000 LED grow light. I'm not going to go over all of the grow lights features in this video, but I will link all of the grow lights I just mentioned in the description section below. Okay, opening up the box, and it looks like I opened up the box upside down. Oops. First thing I'm pulling out of the box here is rope ratchet hangers. Here is their user manual. It includes safety information, specifications about the P1000, P1500, P2500, and some suggestions on how to use the light. There's this small card here which says what to do if you're happy or if you're unhappy. A 6-foot power cord, a wire hanging kit, and of course the fixture. For the PAR test, I'm going to use the Apogee MQ500 PAR meter. This meter measures from 389 nanometers to 692 nanometers, plus or minus 5 nanometers, and the measurements are in ppfd. This test is done just to give you a general idea of what the power output is for this light. It's not going to be 100% accurate. I'm taking measurements in a grow tent, and the reflective walls could increase the PAR numbers, so just keep that in mind. This grow light has a flowering coverage area of 2 foot by 2 foot, and I'm taking measurements in a 2 foot by 4 foot grow tent. I'll do my best to keep my PAR meter on one side of the tent. I'll take measurements at 3 different distances, 12 inches away, 18 inches away, and 24 inches away. All 3 of those distances are recommended in their user manual. This grow light does have a dimmer on it. For this PAR test, I'll keep the dimmer at 100%. At 100%, this unit pulls 101 watts from the wall at 0.83 amps. Alright, let's get into the measurements. What do you think of these measurements? Let me know in the comment section below. I've also linked all of the VIPARSPECTRA's new 2020 grow lights in the description section below, so check that out if you want to learn more about any of their new grow lights. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please click that thumbs up, and I will leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.